Baby Care Silicone Baby Feeder Baby Infant Nipple by Ismores is one of the best sellers among baby medicine dispensers products. It is a baby infant nipple type medicine feeder. Material, PP plus TPE plus silicone. Color, blue. Size, 844/646 centimeters. Capacity scale display design, let parents know clearly the right dosage of a drug. Easy for babies to grasp, can be used as teether or soother, more natural and comfortable. The silicone pacifier is familiar to babies and make them feel ease. Perfect for feeding medicine. It is a baby infant nipple type medicine feeder pacifier dispenser. Silicone syringe design, clearly marked measuring bar ensures accurate dosages. It is easy to operate and reduce the trouble with mother, make it easier to get the medicine down. Silicone sac makes for easy cleaning, encourages chewing, more natural, cleaner and comfortable for the baby. Standing design to prevent drug outflow. Removable, easy to clean, soft mouth. Safe feeding, do not hurt the baby. The nipple is soft and comfortable, it can make medicine bypass baby's taste buds, reducing gagging and spitting up.